Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? I highly recommend checking out a bracelet from Lokai. I have this one here. It's the National Geographic African Cheetah, which I really love because of that super pretty cheetah pattern. But I also appreciate that parts of the proceeds go towards National Geographic. What's really unique about these bracelets are the two beads. So the black bead contains salt from the Dead Sea, which is the lowest point in the earth, and then the white one contains water from Mount Everest, or the highest point in the earth. So it can symbolize staying hopeful when maybe you're at your lowest and staying humble when things are looking up. So it's a very thoughtful and unique gift, whether you're getting it for yourself or for someone else. I appreciate that it's silicone, so it's very easy to take on and off, and it's super comfy. I've been wearing it nonstop for a couple of weeks, and I find it to be durable and very easy to wear. I appreciate that it looks great by itself, but it's also a bracelet that looks really nice when it's stacked with other bracelets. In fact, I'm kind of obsessed with it, and I definitely want to get more to wear together. But I just really think that it is such a thoughtful and unique gift that would mean a lot coming from you if you're giving it to someone for maybe a special occasion or just because. I highly recommend checking out this bracelet by Lokai, but that's just my point of view.